Hello everyone, and welcome back to the HrFlow.ai platform. Today, we're going to learn about webhooks within the HrFlow.ai platform and how to set up notifications for different events. Webhooks are user-defined HTTP callbacks. They are usually triggered by some event, and when that event occurs, the source site makes an HTTP request to the URL configured for the webhook. The HrFlow.ai Events webhook allows you to receive real-time information and monitor your HR data. This integration allows users, for example, to get notifications about parsing and scoring status for their profiles and jobs. You can set up your webhook in HrFlow.ai platform in just few steps. First, go to the Destinations Marketplace and click on Webhook, then click on Install. The webhook configuration model will then show up with your webhook ID and webhook secret key. You have to keep them safe as they will allow you to use your webhook integration later. To add a new webhook, we just need to go to the Settings tab and specify the webhook name, event type, and webhook URL where our event will be sent to. Note that you can add as many webhooks as you need, and you can also edit or disconnect your webhooks at any moment. Now let's see how it works by setting up a webhook that sends notifications every time a new profile is indexed. Since we don't have a server where we can send the notifications, we will use an online webhook endpoint like Webhook site, for example. This website generates a random and unique URL that you can use to test your webhooks and HTTP requests. Now, all we need to do is go to the Webhook Settings tab, create a new webhook, and choose Profile Indexing Success as an event type. Then, we specify a name and insert the URL generated from the webhook site. Finally, we click on Check to verify the webhook with sample data. As you can see, we have received the test notification and the team name and event type are correct. So let's save the webhook settings. Now let's send a resume for parsing and see what we will get from our webhook. To do that, we will send a profile parsing request using Postman. You can find out how to do that by watching the API tutorial linked in the video description. After our profile is parsed, we can check the source key and profile key to compare them with the information received with our webhook. As you can see, we have received a profile indexing success notification with the same profile key and source key. This concludes our tutorial for today. I hope you found it useful. As always, all relevant resources are in the video description. You can also leave your questions in the comments section and we'll get back to you. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you get the latest HrFlow.ai tutorials. See you in the next video.